welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I have the Corvette up in the air, and today is a very exciting day because I've been looking forward to this for a long time because of this right here. As you guys can see, we got another package from Extreme Online Store, and I am super excited about this. So I want to do an unboxing, and that way you guys can join me and see how beautiful this piece is. Now, before we get started, I know most of you guys know who Extreme Online Store or EOS is because I've made plenty of videos for them. For example, this is a carbon fiber EOS wing. These are my carbon fiber EOS side skirts. And of course, my carbon fiber EOS front lip. Everything that I've put on this car from them is perfect. Literally, every single thing that I've got from them has fit like a glove. I literally don't have any complaints whatsoever. Now, when you look around the whole car, pretty much everything that I could change to carbon fiber has been done, with the exception of the diffuser. So whenever you look back here, it's like carbon, plastic. It doesn't look bad, but now we can fix it. So let's get to unboxing. I mean, any car really looks amazing with carbon fiber, but something about the Corvettes that just really changes it up. Now, of course, anything with EOS always comes packaged like perfectly. I mean, they really secure all their stuff. This right here is no exception. Now, I will start off by saying this weighs absolutely nothing. Wow, this is incredibly light. And I'm not surprised that they would send you the hardware for this too. That's what this is right here. Some washers. I feel like a kid on Christmas right now. Damn. Oh my God. Holy smokes. Look at that. Now, EOS does have two designs for their diffusers. I absolutely need to have reverse lights. I'm not a fan of having a diffuser without reverse lights, which is the reason I went with this one. Dude, but look at that weave, bro. It is perfect. Now, if you have a C6 Corvette and you're probably thinking, yeah, it may look nice, but it's probably a nightmare to install, let me show you that is actually not the case. It is quite simple to get these removed. So basically, you have some bolts that run across the back side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Same on the other side. You got two that are above the exhaust. And then you're gonna have some that are on the inside, which you can't see because it's too dark. What's up, boy? You gonna help me or what? Huh? Grab some tools. Those right there are for your reverse lights. You're gonna want to take off those on the side right here. It's 3 other little screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them, right there. You see them right on the other, behind the plug on the reverse lights. 1, 2, 3. Very simple either way. After a lot of wrestling with these clips right here, that is going to take some patience. The bolts and the screws are super easy, but these clips are a nightmare. You guys see I'm all full of grease, and that sucked. So now I just gotta move these reverse lights, put them on the carbon fiber diffuser, and repeat the process. Looks weird without a diffuser. Got the family out here today. We got the reverse lights transferred over from the stock diffuser up to the EOS carbon diffuser. And like always, you guys, perfect fitment. Absolutely perfect on the gaps all the way around. Now, as I told y'all before, getting these clips out was hard. I mean, it was, maybe not hard, it's just tedious. The good thing is that putting them in will be so much easier because all it is just literally sliding into this right here, and it just clips right in. You see these little holes in between that? I'm sure you can see it. just slides in there. Same here. And y'all like my sound effects? I was waiting for you to move. All right, boys, so there it is. Now I will tell you, the easiest way to get to those clips is from the back. Actually, just reach your hand from the back, lower the bumper a little bit, and then just push the clip into it, because basically the bumper's like at an angle and these things are like this. So the bumper's like this, these things are like this. There's no way you're just gonna push it in from the outside. Pull the bumper down, push your clip in, and just press it in. And again, there's one here, 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 and here. The way I did it is I worked my way that way, just slowly, and it took me about 5 minutes. So now I just gotta put all my screws, my bolts. I'm missing one bolt here, so I need to get another one. My bolts here, the 3 screws on this side, and then the ones that run across like that. And she will be all done. All right, so one quick note. The bolts that go on the side here, this one and this one are very easy. The one that's on the very, very corner is difficult to get to. So you'll want to get yourself a very, very small ratchet. This will help you a lot, and possibly this one. Yeah, just get ready for a workout with your forearms, because it hurts. So now all I got to do is install these bottom ones, which those are a piece of cake. You just get them down with the screwdriver, and that'll be it. And like usual, every single hole has lined up perfectly. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And just like that, it is fully installed. Took me roughly about an hour and a half. That's probably because I was here talking to someone. If not, I probably would have done that maybe in an hour tops. And that's simply with me not ever have doing this before. Now that I know exactly what to do and how to tackle it, I'm pretty sure I can get it. Damn, this light is bright. I'm pretty sure I can get it done in maybe 30 to 40 minutes. And these are the tools that you need. Screwdriver, these are the tools that I used. That's very, very simple. So now I'm just gonna put the wheels back on the car, lower it, and see how it looks. Nothing but carbon fiber. That looks so good. That looks so good. What do you think? I love it too.
Thank you for fixing my Corvette.
Huh? Hold on. What'd you say? She said something.
I said thank you for fixing my Corvette.
All right, so I guess I gotta tell y'all.
So you give me what I want, it's mine.
I guess the truth has to come out eventually, right? The only reason I'm able to have all these cars and fix them is because they're not actually mine.
I'm the real owner.
They're hers.
He's just a grease monkey fixing them.
I'm just a mechanic.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
That's just it. I'm just her personal grease monkey.
I'm the brains behind the whole thing.
Now, I will say this, the day that I can get her dream car, all these cars become mine.
Not all of them.
Oh, all of them?
No.
Yeah.
That one's mine.
No, that one's going to be mine too.
Uh-uh.
She wants a track hawk. She doesn't ask for much, huh?
I don't think so.
Yeah, you probably don't. Compare all the shit that I have. I mean, you have. All right, guys, that's gonna be it. There it is, EOS carbon fiber diffuser. Again, they have two models, one without the reverse lights and the little fins things in the middle, and then this one, which is an OEM, but in carbon fiber. This is real carbon fiber. The installation is exactly the same process for both of them. It goes in just the same way the factory. Fuck, can't even talk. Look. Now she's being a witness of all my stuttering and all the editing I have to make on the videos. You never knew how much I stuttered, did you?
35.
I say the same thing like 15 times and then I cut it until I finally sound okay, even though sometimes I don't. Anyways, what I was trying to say is that all this stuff that I got from EOS goes in just like the factory stuff.
You guys should know how it goes in.
You hear that? She said if you don't know how to do it, that means you shouldn't be working on a car. But that's why you got my videos. You'll learn from me. All right, boys. That is going to be it. I am going to get washed up. I am hungry. Are you going to make me something to eat?
You want me to go to the kitchen and make you a sandwich? Yes.
You make daddy a sandwich.
She needs to go in there and make me a damn sandwich.
Yes, master.
All right, boys. Catch y'all later.
Yes, Master Chief.